So this is the outside. So there are beachfront villas or beachfront bungalows, and they're down there. They're a bit further, so it's only a few, like 2. So if you get this one, it's a bit cheaper, and it's still very close to the beach, so it's not like ridiculously far. And these are other deluxe bungalows as well, and that's it. You got your own garden. So outside you've got a place to wash your feet, lounges and a sofa, and then we're staying at room 214. So you just put your key in. Oh, no. How do you do this? Oh, there we go. And then you put the key in and the lights turn on. So to your left you have these cupboards. So I'll open them up. So the first one has a safety deposit box. You've got 2 life jackets there at the top. You've got a sign up here which is about the life jackets. You've got this, I don't know what this is. Oh, a torch. So you've got a torch here, and then you've got a hairdryer, and then you've also got some space here for some more clothes. You've got a lot of space. You've got 2 drawers and some shelves here for extra space. So the next one, this one has a lot more hanging space. You have 2 robes, hangers, you've got 2 pairs of flip-flops, an ironing board, and a laundry bag where you can request laundry. And it says here the information. You've got another one. I don't actually know where the iron is, so we'll still need to find that. Okay, so the next bit is the minibar. So I'll show you the price here of what things cost. Here you've got snack bars, these Mr. Potato Pringle type snacks. You've got Snickers, Bueno, Haribo, Peanuts, Toblerone. You've got some alcohol here, and this stuff is chargeable, so you need to pay for this. And down here you've got tea and coffee, and they said that anything here is complimentary and the water is complimentary, but anything else you need to pay for it. And that goes the same for down here. So you've got a mini fridge, and here you've got cranberry juice, orange juice, apple, Red Bull, Coke, Sprite, some tonic water, soda water, and some beer. Okay, so I'll just do the rest of the room. So you can see the ceiling's really high. You've got a fan up there, and you've got a large bed with some seating area space here. So that's really cute if you want to have like a dinner inside. You've got this day bed here, which makes a nice spare bed, I guess, if you're a family of 3. And then you've got this TV, which is quite large. It's a Sony, and at the back there's some ports here, so if you do want to plug in your HDMI you probably could. The bin is here, and then here's some information. So here's some information about the different stuff they have on in villa dining, available 24 hours. You can see the different things they have. So $14 for fresh juice, and then you need to look at this. So prices are in USD and inclusive of the tax. So that's really good, because I know some resorts they don't add it on, so that's good to know that that's all inclusive. Got some breakfast. It's $31 for a continental. American breakfast is $35. Here's some salads, soups, main, just to give you an idea of how much this all costs. sides, desserts. So there's a lot of stuff in there. And then here, the lady said you've got a lot of important information here, like the numbers for everything, about the room and everything like that. Right, so here you've got a light, and I just switch it on with this. So you can do some reading or some work from the desk. You've also got a chair here, so you can do some work there. Okay, so moving on. This is the bed. It's actually, I've noticed it's actually 2 singles put together. So I guess they could always separate into a twin room if they wanted. Here we've got a pen and a notepad, things that I will do today that my future self will thank me for. So that's really cute. And it says, my life improving ideas. So I think we all need a bit of that. You've got this container here, storage cabinet. It says, take me to Kurumba Maldives. I guess this is your key. I'm not sure what it opens. You've got your remote, and then you've got the air conditioning control, and then you've got a light here, turn it on. So you could have a nice bedside light, and you've also got some space there. So that's the bed, and again on the other side with the same light. Also you've got here the light switches. It just turns off all the lights, so it's quite dark. And then this, I don't know what, acorn, I don't know what on earth that is, but okay. So this acorn controls the fan up there, so that's what it controls. Okay, finally we'll go to the bathroom, toilet, shower room. So you've got a full-length mirror there, which is always really useful. You've got this, which is your bathroom. So here, it's very humid in here because it is open. So you've got a full mirror here. You've got a sink. You've got 2 flannels. You've got the box of tissues, and then some cotton pads and earbuds, cotton buds. You've got glass. You've got this relaxing body lotion, another glass. This is given a dental kit, 2 dental kits, a shaving kit as well. And you've got a bin under there. Here's a toilet. That's a standard toilet with a hose there. And then you've also got these, I guess these are for like sanitary products, if you've used them. And then they've given you 2 towels and 2 full-length towels here. So if you open this up, you can see you've got indoor shower, which is covered. And then you've also got this really lovely outdoor shower. So you can see it has steps leading to the shower. And this is all open, and it's completely private, so you can't see anyone. No one can see you. If I actually stand in the shower, if you look up, you can't actually see anyone. No one's peering into your room. And then you've got these lovely flowers, plants, and you've got this bathtub here as well. So that's really pretty. I'll show you what it looks like from this side. So it looks like this. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll show you a bit of the outside in a moment. But there we go. This is the Deluxe Bungalow in Kurumba, Maldives.